subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Assalamu alaikum, my dear good students. I am again present before you. Today I will describe an important chapter of modal verb. One of the most important and mostly used word, that is should. Okay, we can often use, we must have to use should in different cases, because without should we cannot express our words to others. So basically in different, in more percentages, in more cases, we will have to use should. Okay, today, that's why today I will describe to you the uses of should. It's my 33rd class of spoken English, and one of the most important modal verbs, that is should, we are going to describe. Now, should is a word which we can use in all number and persons. So there is no certain and strict rules of using should in different kind of number and persons, because should is a word which we can use in every places. Hope you understand, my dear students. Be very careful and be very attentive whenever I am delivering my words to you. Otherwise you cannot catch what I am saying to you. Does it make any sense to you? Okay, hope you understand. Good learners. Now, the first rule, to express duty and moral obligations. To express duty. Duty means in Bengali kartobbo, and moral obligations, ebong noitik daitto. This is one of the mostly used forms, or mostly used rules of should. Duty and moral obligations. I have already given an example here. We should stand united. আমাদের একত্র থাকা উচিত. Okay? Another sentence. We should love our parents. We should love our parents. You can form so many sentences by using should. You should read hard. Okay? You should give attention to your relations. We should do our daily work. We should perform our duties to our societies. As students, our first duty is to read and learn. So we can use this sentence by using should. We should prepare our lessons properly so that we can understand everything. Okay. In other senses, we can use word by using these rules, duties and moral obligations. You should respect your teachers. You should show affections to your juniors. So there are so many words, so many advices where we will use should. Okay, so you should remember, in case of duty and in case of moral obligations, we should use should. Now the second word, to express the wish of the speaker. To express the wish of the speaker, we should use should. Suppose I shall like to help you. আমি তোমাকে সাহায্য করতে চাই. Okay, I shall like to believe you. আমি তোমাকে বিশ্বাস করতে চাই. I shall like to believe you. I shall like to invite you. I shall like to invite you. So these are sentences, these are sentences where we can use should. That means to express the wish of the speaker, we should use should. Third, to express the advice. This is very, very important. Okay, this is extremely important. That is advice. To describe the advice of the speaker, we can use should. And such sentences to describe something like advice, we cannot form sentence without using should. Suppose you should not sell the plot. তোমার এই জায়গাটি বিক্রি করা উচিত নয়. It's a kind of advice. You should help the poor. তোমার গরিবদের সাহায্য করা উচিত. It's a kind of advice. You should you should help the poor. তোমার গরিবদের সাহায্য করা উচিত. So these kind of sentences you can easily form. Next one, number 4, modesty. To describe or to express the modesty of the speaker, we will use shall. Okay, should. I should like this. আমি এটা পছন্দ করি. ভদ্রতা, with politeness I can say this. I should like this. I should buy this. Okay, so this kind of politeness, whenever this kind of politeness and modesty we are going to express, it should be expressed by should. Now the number 5, to express necessity. To express the necessity you can use should. You should look after your parents. It's a kind of obligation. We know that it's a kind of obligation. We can also say that it's a kind of necessity. It's a work of necessity. We cannot avoid these works. We cannot neglect these works. Otherwise we cannot be human beings. Because we have seen the light of this earth. We have seen the light of this atmosphere for the cause of our parents. So we have some necessity and we have some duties and obligations to our parents. So in case of necessity, we should use should. You should look after your parents. তোমার পিতামাতার প্রতি তোমার পিতামাতাকে তোমার দেখাশোনা করা উচিত. ইউ শুড, তোমার উচিত লুক আফটার, দেখাশোনা করা ইয়োর প্যারেন্টস, তোমার পিতামাতাকে. Number 6, purpose or purpose. Suppose you should work hard to succeed. সফলতার জন্য বা সফলতা পাওয়ার জন্য তোমাকে কঠোর পরিশ্রম করা উচিত. ইউ শুড, তোমার উচিত ওয়ার্ক হার্ড, কঠোর পরিশ্রম করা. Another sentence, you should prepare your lessons properly so that you can score good marks. This kind of these kind of sentences may be formed whenever you will express yourselves to others. Or you should attend these classes. You should attend the first classes very carefully. Then you can do good work. You can do better in your future. So these kind of sentences may be formed by using should in case of purpose. The last one, probability. Probability, the work may be happen or may not be happen. In that case, you can use should. My brother should be there by now. Okay, you should be first one. So these kind of sentences which will express the probability of the speaker, or it also expresses the probability of the action. To describe the probability of the action, you should use should. So my dear learners, I am again repeating you, should mainly used mostly used in two cases: duty and moral obligation and advice. So in these two senses, we should remember that we should use should. That means in case of advice and in case of duties and moral obligations. And in other cases, you will also use, but if you can remember two kind of works, two kind of activities, that means duty and moral obligations and advice, then you don't have any problem in understanding and in expressing yourselves to others. Because in most cases, should is used in moral obligations and advices. I should do my work regularly. আমার উচিত আমার কাজটি নিয়মিত করা. Okay, it's a kind of moral obligations. I cannot avoid this work. আমি এই কাজটি অস্বীকার করতে পারি না. So my dear learners, I think that there will be no obstacles in understanding should. Should means in Bengali uchit. Uchit অর্থে আমরা should ইউজ করব. We will always use should in case of uchit in Bengali term, and in English term in case of duty and moral obligations, কর্তব্য, নৈতিক দায়িত্ব, and advice, that means upadesh. So mostly used into cases. Hope you understand, and I think that you will practice. The more you practice, and the more will be easier your spoken English. Thank you so much. I will be back soon. Hope you understand. Thank you.